You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word from French? Meaning marvels. It's also the name of a dish, I think, a dessert. For more French, useful French, make sure to stay tuned. Merveille is how it's said. Merveille. The S is silent, so that's the plural form, but plural singular, S or not at the end, is the same pronunciation. Merveille, or in English you can say it as merveille. Merveille. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.